Apparatus is a closed cup apparatus or a Penske Martin apparatus. So this apparatus is also used to find flash and fire point of any lubricating oil or any fuel. So you can see here, this is a cup. You can see this is a cup. So there is a mark. You can see there is a mark on the neck of this cup. So up to that mark we have to fill the oil. Right, I am going to fill here, as you can see. So up to the mark, it has reached up to the mark. Right, so this is the cap. So this is the cap which is going to be fixed there. So this is the, as you can see, this is the stirrer. So this is a manual stirrer, you can see here. So by rotating this stirrer, so we are also stirring the oil, right, with the help of this stirrer. So to maintain the uniform temperature of this oil, right. And along with that, there is a small hole is provided over here. So through this hole, we are inserting the thermometer to measure the temperature of the lubricating oil, right? So this is the stirrer. So by rotating this stirrer, we are actually mixing the oil so that uniform temperature can be attained. And this is the lever, as you can see here. This is the knob. So I am going to fix this cover over it, right? So as you can see, this is a knob. By rotating this knob, right, so we are introducing the pilot flame at the center. As you can see, there are 3 holes are there. So on the center we are going to introduce the pilot flame, right, when we actually start the experiment. So when the temperature reaches somewhere around 150 degrees Celsius, at that time we are going to introduce the pilot flame at the center. As you can see here, this is the center point.
Yes.
Right, and we will check for flash point as well as fire point for every 10 degree rise in temperature of the oil. Okay, so now we will start the experiment. So I am going to insert the thermometer here to measure the temperature of the oil, right. To measure the temperature of the oil, I am going to insert it. So this is the stirrer. So you have to rotate it, right. So you have to rotate it continuously.
Sir, button.
Okay, so we will switch on the heater, right. Okay.
Sir,
So now the temperature is somewhere around 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. It is somewhere around
30 degree no flash and no fire. 40 degree no flash and no fire.
This is how we have to stare this to maintain the, right. So you have to stare with around 200 RPM, right, 200 revolutions per minute. So with that speed you have to rotate it around at least 100 RPM.
Sir, 50, 60, 70 ऐसा लिखा नहीं सर? ये 20 का लिखा है.
Right. Temperature of the oil. So
40
it is
के
near to 40.
To 40.
Flash point and fire point
90
So-
होता है सर.
हमारे साथ. So आप लोग क्या करो? So you bring the flame. I will rotate this. केवल दोनों नहीं कर सकता मैं अकेला. So I will rotate this and you bring the flame center में flame लेकर. Okay, immediately. So as you can see, there is no flash and there is no fire also
At 90 degrees.
at 90 degrees Celsius. Okay. So जब अब फ्लैश पॉइंट आता था तो वहाँ से एकदम से वो फ्लेम पकड़ता.
Yes. Yes. At 130 degree.
No, there is no flash and there is no fire.
130 degree.
20 कर दिया.
130 का लिखा है believe. At 130.
स्मेल आ रहा है क्या?
No flash and no
बाहर
fire.
से आना बोले तो मालूम होगा. बहुत खराब स्मेल आता था. इसका तो बहुत डेंजर लगा. उसका होता था. ये भी ऐसा है. अभी बीच चुका करेंगे.
At 150 degree. No flash and fire. At 150 degree, no flash and fire.
No flash, no fire.
170 degree,
No flash.
No flash, no fire.
Okay, sir. At 170 degree, no flash and no fire. At 190 degree,
So no flash. No flash, no fire.
at 190 degree, no flash and no fire.
इसका जो रिजल्ट है थोड़ा एक्यूरेट है. ये जो
At 200 degree,
अरे
क्या है आपने सर?
से
No flash and no fire.
कंटिन्यू करेंगे. एक है. हाँ सर.
कितना सर?
थोड़ा मारा
आ रहा है क्या? हाँ आ रहा है. फ्लैश आ रहा, फ्लैश आ रहा. तो फ्लैश पॉइंट
कितना है सर?
देखो कितना टेम्परेचर 200 है.
218.
हाँ 218 लिखो. 220 करो उसको. 220 फ्लैश पॉइंट. फ्लैश इज ऑब्जर्व.
At 220, flash is observed
नो फायर, कॉमा नो फायर.
and no fire.
Observed.
क्लॉकवाइज क्लॉकवाइज.
And no fire.
क्या भी ये कब वो फायर से ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ना हो उसके लिए. Somewhere around 225.
लेफ्ट साइड की बात है देखो सर, लेफ्ट साइड.
उस तरफ से आओ. देखो आ रहा, देखो
यस सर.
देखो आ रहा, देखो 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 आया, देखो एकदम से.
What temperature? Fire सर.
नहीं नहीं अभी फायर कर छोड़ो.
Fire is observed sir.
फायर दोनों ऑब्जर्वेशन.
इसका मन बड़ा बस पास के नाम है सर. नहीं